Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce gyro. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including a good quality Greek yogurt, a fresh cucumber, and some fragrant dill. Next, take your cucumber and grate it, then firmly squeeze out as much water as possible. This step is crucial for a thick, creamy sauce. Finally, mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic very finely to infuse the sauce with its distinct aroma. Now let's bring it all together. In a medium bowl, combine your drained cucumber, minced garlic, and 1 cup of Greek yogurt. Next, add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. These add a bright tang. Finally, season the mixture with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your personal preference. For the best flavor, it's essential to chill your white sauce. Place the bowl in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to fully meld and deepen. Once chilled, your sauce is ready to be served. Spoon it generously over warm gyro meat, fresh pita bread, or even as a dip for vegetables. A sprinkle of fresh dill or paprika makes a lovely garnish. You can easily customize your white sauce to suit your taste. Try adding a pinch of dried oregano for a more earthy, traditional flavor, or if you prefer a bit of heat, incorporate a small amount of red pepper flakes. Don't be afraid to experiment with other herbs like mint or parsley too. And hey, while you're making delicious food, remember that life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.